how to use ChatGPT for YouTube SEO. So if you want to go ahead and reach high ranks in your YouTube search engine optimization and you want to find a good platform to help you with that, which is also free, then this video is for you because ChatGPT brings you the best solutions for YouTube SEO. So all you're going to need to do is you're going to ask it. So whatever you want to ask it, you can go ahead. So let's say I want to ask it about keywords. So what keywords should I use for my YouTube video about dogs? Let's go ahead and write that. So there you go. It says here's some suggestions of good keywords. And then it also gives you, proper titles. So tips for training a Labrador Retriever puppy, funny dogs fails compilation. So you can see that it gives us things that are good for YouTube SEO. And you can also write, give me more ways for better YouTube SEO. Okay, you can just write that. And there you can see it actually gives you the different details about optimizing video title, description, and tags, create compelling thumbnails, engage viewers, choose proper keywords, monitor analytics, and a whole lot more. So follow these steps and you should get good YouTube SEO. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.